Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can change your ringtone on Android phones. So let's start the video. First, open up your settings and then tap on sound. And now here you can see SIM on ringtone and SIM to ringtone. And now select which SIM ringtone you want to change. Tap on it and here you can see all your phone ringtones. And now which ringtone you want to select, just tap on it and it will be saved to your phone. And if you want to select songs from your file explorer, then select on the top side. Here you will find which song is enabled for your ringtone. Mine is there is no song, so it doesn't show me. And come back and apply the same step on the SIM to side to set the ringtone. And that's how you change your ringtone on Android phone. Thanks for watching.